Welcome back to the Bryan Fagan YouTube channel. I'm Oya, and today we're tackling a question many people ask when considering divorce in Texas. Do you have to separate before your divorce? If you're in this situation, you might be wondering whether physical separation is a requirement before starting the divorce process. Let's get into it. In Texas, the short answer is no. You do not have to separate before filing for divorce. Unlike some other states that require a mandatory separation period, Texas law does not impose this requirement. And you and your spouse can live under the same roof while going through the divorce process. That being said, separation, whether formal or informal, can sometimes play a role in how your divorce unfolds, depending on the specific circumstances of your case. For couples who choose to separate before filing for divorce, this often serves as an opportunity to create a sense of independence and to test co-parenting arrangements. However, it's important to understand that a separation agreement or informal arrangement is not legally binding unless it's formalized by the court. Without a court order, there's no enforceable obligation regarding temporary custody, support, or property use. While separation isn't legally required, it can sometimes help when addressing practical issues during the divorce process. For example, separating may allow both parties to establish clearer boundaries, reduce conflict, and provide a more stable environment, particularly when children are involved. However, in some cases, remaining in the same household can also be a strategic decision, particularly if finances are tight or if neither party is ready to move out before temporary orders are in place. It's also worth noting that there's no official legal separation status in Texas. Unlike other states where couples can obtain a legal separation as a step before divorce, Texas does not have such a process. If you wish to set temporary guidelines during your separation, you'll need to file for temporary orders as part of your divorce proceedings. These orders can address issues like child custody, spousal support, and property use during the divorce process. If you're navigating a challenging living situation or are unsure whether separation is right for your family, consulting with a qualified Texas family law attorney can help you determine the best path forward. They can provide clarity on how your living arrangements might impact your case and guide you through the necessary steps to protect your rights and interests. Thank you for tuning in today. If you found this information useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Here at the Law Office of Bryan Fagan, we're committed to helping families navigate the complexities of Texas family law. If you have any questions about your specific situation, reach out to us for a consultation. Until next time.
Thanks for tuning in to the end. We understand that divorce can be expensive depending on the situation. That's why we're offering our Do-It-Yourself Texas Divorce e-course. You can get access to this e-course by clicking on the link in the description below. Catch you in the next video.